Hear me out, TikTok. Stop spending hundreds of dollars on vacuum cleaners when you can get the Homika vacuum cleaner for $100. This right here is the vacuum I'm talking about. This thing has 3 different power modes. It comes with an extra 3 different attachments. This one right here is a 2-in-1. Then you got this one right here, easy to get up hair and stuff like that. Then you got an extra filter. You just press this button here and slide the battery off. And here's the charger port right there. If you're tired of spending hundreds of dollars on vacuum cleaners, I did drop the link below to this Homika vacuum cleaner.